Hi, this is iPad Diaries Quick Tips narrator, the Robot Girl. We share some cool and quick tips for using iPad, both as a desktop and tablet. Today, I will show you how to set and manage your favorite pages within Safari. When you tap the search box, you will see icons of websites that are added to my favorites folder. The list is so long as you can see, and most of these I rarely use. Tap the Show Less button and the list looks so much manageable. Only 2 lines are visible now. Sometime it is quicker to type a couple of characters and the URL will be populated automatically. So I strongly recommend that you put the most often used sites on top and just show the top 2 lines. Let's add a favorites page. Often, it is your first instinct to check the bookmarks icon. You can actually see the favorites folder right on the top. When you open the folder, you see an edit button. Voila, you would think that you're one brilliant mind. But wrong. I couldn't figure out a way to add a web page to the folder. The edit button basically let you add subfolders or delete favorite pages you marked. To add a web page to the favorites folder, you must use the share button on here. You know? I've added all those pages to the favorites folder and yet had trouble finding where to add a favorite page today, which led me to make this video. The answer is to use the almighty share button on the right side. This share button is probably the highlight of iPad's user interface, you know, that walled garden, where you can exchange files between your devices. Push the share button and it is right there, add to favorites with a star icon. I must have accessed the button 1,000 times and yet I didn't know this is where I can create a favorite page. I've added favorite pages as you saw, and apparently that portion of my brain disk space is erased or something. Darn. Maybe I should call myself a robot granny. Beginning to show my age? Don't feel too bad that you ended up with this video. Whole lot more people watch these types of videos. Tap add to favorites and the save button on the top right corner. Now let's check that the page has been added. It is there. The favorite pages are saved in the order that they were saved. So if you want to use that icon from the favorite icons list, you have to tap the show more button and slide down to the bottom. There it is. Use the good old finger to tap and hold and drag it to the top that you can easily access it later. If you found this video helpful, please be sure to like the video and hit that subscribe button. Have a wonderful day. Peace.